Mr. Chair. I would just say that I did not intend to take the floor a second time, but hearing now the remarks, I just would send a clear picture of what is actually continuing to happening in my country. Since I took the floor yesterday afternoon, the brutal terror campaign against my people is continuing and actually further escalating. In the past 24 hours since I spoke here, 4 more attacks have taken place in cities across Israel. This morning, 2 separate attacks took place in the city of Jerusalem minutes apart. 2 Israeli citizens were killed and 15 were wounded, some of them seriously, in a combined shooting and stabbing attack on a bus in southern Jerusalem. In a separate attack, 1 person was killed and another wounded after a Palestinian terrorist rammed into a crowd with his car and then stepped out and brutally attempted to stab the wounded with a butcher knife. But it did not end there. In a major city in central Israel, Ra'anana, 2 terror attacks took place in less than 1 hour. 1 man was stabbed by a 22-year-old Palestinian terrorist while standing